Wagwan peeps, what's up? It's your boy Tezzaboy. Welcome back to another vlog, people. Big up on yourself. You don't know all my supporters, everyone who has been there from day one, you know, keeping it going, keeping the channel growing. You don't know, you are the reason I do this. So I'll be doing a DIY today, people. And today it's not on the E30, it'll be on the LEXUS. That's the daily. So basically I'm here at my friend's house and he's basically he's basically doing some work on his Altezza. Rebel, big up yourself, repping Tezza Kings, you don't know. And I'm basically going to mock up a brake upgrade on the car and I'll be showing you guys what's up. So boom, it's on the LEXUS, the daily. Gonna show you guys what's up. So yo people, respect for the comments that you've been dropping. I don't know, really appreciate it. All the persons who are saying yo them can't wait for the E30 come a road and thing. Big up on yourself, you don't know. But I have to get some work done on the daily because you don't know. Yo, love me. You don't know, peeps. Yeah, so let's get into it. No more distractions. Out. You're not tapping eyes now, my vlog. Alright. Oh, belly rub. Yeah, realize. Alright, look more. So people, bam. This I go on today. So I am trying to find a way to get these on this. So just a little comparison. Let me show you guys. Look at the difference. Hold on. Basically, yeah, so comparison, right? Alright, comparison peeps, comparison. Night and day, night and day. You see me? So let's see if I can get this on. Anyways, I'm gonna bolt off or unbolt these OEM ones and then just see what we need to do to get it to fit. Need an undercarriage wash. Alright, so you basically have to undo these, this one and this one. These two, these look like 17. Yeah, 17 peeps. So one is here and one is below to undo the caliper. Yeah peeps, remove one of the bolts already. This is the final one here. Yeah. So you see, yo, carry a flat mouth. So you see, don't got as much brake as I want, but now we break up on it. You know, one leg of this wheel. Yes man, I got the remedy. Let me see how much longer you go. Hold on. That's what she said.
Song-filled hours later.
Alright. So we got the right one now. Yeah, get out. Alright, there we go. And easy as that. So we can do a proper comparison now. Would you stop sitting on my stuff? Night and day. It's probably like a probably ½ inch difference or ¼ inch. I'm just winging it. So moment of truth. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so I'm gonna use one of the studs to hold it. I'm gonna cut the caliper and see how it bolts up. This is what we want to see, peeps. So these are the 2 holes where the 17 fastens to the caliper. This is an eye test, but hopefully it fits. Let me just see. Alright, so we basically have paint in the threading and I got sprayed, so it looks really close, as if it would line up. Worst case scenario, one of the caliper holes need to be reamed out. Yeah, that's the work. Who's the bigger boy? Yo, this needs some real elbow grease. An elbow actually for sure. Why? Yo, can't even pull it one little. What? No. Yeah guys, so I have a bit of bad news. Let me show you what's happening. Bam! So yeah, it's not fully bolted up, but it will fit. Yeah, looks pretty nice. For some strange reason, it's just like a millimeter off. I'm gonna have to remount one of the caliper holes for it to fit, but looks pretty nice. It's a disc pad pressing these pistons and should be good. Yup. So who's happy like me? So we'll continue this on next day. This is just retrofit people update. LEXUS getting brakes upgrade, well needed, long overdue, from double piston to 4 piston. Calipers, bigger rotors, drilled and slotted for improved cooling. So yo, DIY people, I don't know, Tezzaboy here live. Can't forget the roots in the people, you don't know. Tezza to LEXUS. But yo, I miss the Tezza though. A lot of stuff on the Tezza is way better in design, if you ask me. For example, the rear calipers is way better designed because it has double piston, which is way better than the LEXUS 250. This has a single caliper, so one side of the disc pad is always, you know, worn more than the other, so that's less braking, and I don't like that. You drop the ball, Toyota. So yeah, peeps, update. Showing how I go on. Stay tuned for the installments. See?
3 days later.
So yo, peeps, couple days after the last footage you saw, I'm gonna see how best I can, you know, continue from where we left off. Well, of course the car is back in one piece. I'm gonna have to undo all that I redid to continue the upgrade, so look out for that. I'm going to continue the intro too long. Just go ahead and look what's happening, alright? Alright guys, so undid the caliper on the disc wheel. So basically I'm going to mock up the big brakes. Super light, 4 piston super light aluminum. Alright, which side is this? This is the right side, so it's gonna be like this. You can't see on us. It's gonna be like this. One of the holes line up, one doesn't. So I think I'm gonna have to take this piece off to allow it to not brush anything. These two pieces, this piece as well. So I'm gonna have to slot out one of the holes because one lines up and the other is a bit close. So stay tuned for that. So at this point guys, I decided to go ahead and just go ahead and use the angle grinder and remove parts of the guard because it was still touching the rotor, and that is a very edgy and annoying sound. So at this point I decided to go ahead and cut parts of it to make sure it could fit, and yeah, then I went ahead and started reaming out the hole for the caliper to mount properly because it was off by a few millimeters. So this is me with the drill and the metal bit trying to ream out a little section of it. I didn't have the correct tool, so I just used what I had. So that's what I was doing at this point. Alright guys, so basically at this point I am assembling the caliper. I'm putting back the seals over the pistons and putting in the brake pads or disc pads, and also adjusting the pins and clips. So basically fitting up, final assembly and testing before putting up. Update. Alright, so the line is on as well. Brake is on. The only issue I'm having is the guard down here. Probably have to go back and cut that little piece off. It's probably brushing, but it's on and it fits fine. The pads are in. So now to do the other side. Alright guys, so to update everyone, the brakes are on, but I'm going to have to remove it again and do some more modification. So as you can see how it is holding to the rotor, you can see that about 1/4 inch roughly. It needs to go down 1/4 inch more over the disc wheel. So basically it's on, it's about 80% completed. Yeah, but still way more brake than the factory ones, I must say. We upgraded from a single piston calipers to the 4 piston big ones. So minor touches, forgive the dirtiness. Yeah peeps, can't wash dirty car off, it fix first. Alright, so basically update. Show you the other side, it's the same thing. About 1/4 inch more reach it needs to go over this wheel. So that's the update. So look out for the final product. This should be continued probably in the next vlog or so. So yeah, and in the near future guys, I want to upgrade these rear ones as well, because I don't know why Toyota did this, but this pad always eat down, leave the other one. I don't know if I can show you the other side, but one always eat down, leave the other one. So one always lower than the other. Single piston. Kinda dumb if you ask me, but hey, that's the mod life for you. LEXUS. Look who it is.